Game like a Tory, you so special.
I'm here to work hard, teenage being a chami tambo. Itiba swenda tera, chingo tera, swami shasho.
Welcome to the Venda Radio and the Ngazina and Duke and so on and one and Mahangoni. It is what it is. So as already was already my pungo page. Yeah, Ben, you know I'm always getting crazy questions. Hey, what do you think of these? What's your take? How's the relationship with these artists? All those crazy stuff. So the question that I got now was, what do I think of Metro CMG? Like, yeah, what do I think of Metro CMG? So, as you know, man, decided like, you know what, I'm gonna take it to my channel and then I'm gonna respond, and yeah, I'm gonna say what I'm gonna say. So I don't know how you're gonna feel, but that's none of my business. Yeah, welcome once again to Venda Radio. So if you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe to our channel. You just slide right there, like, and then yeah, man, you subscribe. We can subscribe by hitting a button and by bambori. Hey, kubelenyana uri vakono replay the video vakono notification. But enough about that. So we're going right to Metro. What do I think of Metro? Metro is one different artist. Venda ndingararanda kwamba the artists nezavori they give you music that or music unena ranichi feel like you can play it at any time. I'll be looking at Redix. I'll go and look at Wax. What's his other name? Yeah, okay, let me just call him Wax because that's what I call him, Wax mostly. And then we'll have someone like who now? Okay, let's just name those two. But the reason I'm saying that is because when you listen to his music, let's forget about the diss tracks and everything. The music itself, his pen, you can tell that this guy is fully prepared. This guy has a story to tell. This guy want to communicate. The flow, the execution, the delivery. And I'm someone else who's making sense or satangani. Because of how he delivers his music, you can relate, like you feel like it touches your soul, man. So what I think is Metro is a great artist, man. He's a way dope artist, and I feel if he was pushing beyond what he's doing or he was given a chance, Metro will shine way beyond. But the shadow of his diss tracks is what people always and try and block him using those tracks. But when he drops good music, they don't want to talk about the great music in our visa. They only focus on the bad side of his career or his gangster rap. Because when he raps, he speaks his mind, man. He goes straight to the point and he says what he has to say. Which is something most people, when they're trying to fit into their friends, Metro this, Metro that. But at the end of the day, they're playing his music over and over. For one person to even get to understand some of the lyrics of yours, man, you making sure that you play all his tracks. You can't be saying Metro Visa music were bad, were wrong, and so if you only listen to one track. That means that when he drops a single track every time, you listen to his music. So looking at Metro, if Metro is given a chance, Metro can kill a lot of rappers, man. I'm not talking about the beef, the decent mean. I mean like musically. The talent is there, man. He is well-equipped artist. And then listening to the music, and when I found out that he did most of the production right now, you can tell that he's growing as an artist. All he needs is that chance where he can shine. Because you find that we are forced to listen to the same music over and over and over. The music that talks. I did listen to his mixtape, which I'm not going to talk about right now, which is Now or Never. I'm going to drop maybe a video later on today on Limpopo Online TV. You can also check me. I'll be listening to most of those tracks because I did enjoy the mixtape. It's a very nice mixtape, dope mixtape. Man, it's more of an album kind of thing. EP. He did put more effort. It's like those artists that it doesn't matter whether they're dropping a mixtape, an EP, an album. They put all the work. They make sure that they put all his energy into the music so that they can give their fans something solid. So Metro is that artist, if I can look in national, is like was Zakwe. Zakwe is one dope artist, but because he speaks, he tells the truth. He doesn't chop just to get a party song. Then he get blocked for that. He doesn't really shine like the way he's supposed to. That's the same thing that happens with Metro, you know. And the love I have for his craft is a lot, man. I got so much love for this guy's craft. Got so much respect. Yeah, man, we have had our differences as business and artists. We always have our differences, but that doesn't mean Nuri turn it to beef and all that. On my side, when shit happens, you let it go. It's we continue to work if we have to work. If not, we don't. But beside anything or everything, the fact is, I got the respect for his craft, man. His music talks to me. I listen to a lot of all this gangster rap, all this gangster flow, all this West Coast sound, you know, and I love that sound because it's something different. I can't be listening to the same sound all the time. No. That doesn't work like that. And then Namsa Chita's the hukuzawe and the chorus and everything, man. You can hear or it's completely different. You know, he is on that level where he does music and you can feel or this is a sing along. It's not just a hook, but it brings you to sing along so easily, so simple. You tap into the mood of his music. What I think about Metro, it's one of the best artists. You know, yeah, he called himself the God. He created that monster. He created that image. He made sure that his brand is something that you get scared of when you think of jumping and started fighting with him. It's something like he's more like that pit bull. I'm talking about pit bull when I'm looking at the way. Let's not get into that. Yeah, it's that kind of pit bull that will fight at any time. But when you want to be the nice guy, he'll be the nice guy. When you want to drop a love song, he'll drop a love song. So he can do all kind of music. He does not stick into one circle. He goes into his dark side and become that guy. Then he comes to the street. Then he goes to the love. That's what I love about this nigga's music. You know, I love his music. I'll play it all the time. I don't care what people think. I don't care what people say. But one thing, listening to Metro, listening to Cash Flow, man, it takes you to a different world. Because the way they write, the way they deliver, the way they talk, the way they spit, the way they do their things, it's different. You know, it's not about rhymes. It's about getting the story across. It's about putting the message on the page. It's about telling you how things are, you know, without trying to be fancy when it's not necessary. So what I love and what I think and how I see it is that Metro is the greatest artist, one of the best. It will take you back to the gangster rap when you're listening to your divorce, man. It will take you back to the days when you still have bomb when it's serious, man. It will take you to the days when you had your cool fellow killing it. We're talking about your Adolf when they were doing music passionately, like, yo, man, I can mention them. Your Red Dicks when it was dropping, you know, you could hear that I'm listening to music here. You go to me, so back then, man, the guy will be giving you music, but then even though those music doesn't really fit in the category of Metro because of they do different music. That one thing, their sound is completely different. But I'm mentioning him because when you put him on the different sound, you know, he will fit in with those guys that are doing the same. If you're listening to your Max Swag now, Max Swag does love to do that. Is it CB or Max Swag? One of the two, I forgot. They have that sound also. So there's music that I relate to. And not forgetting Renee, man. She also give you that West Coast kind of sound, that vibe thing, that sound that grab you. Before you even hear her lyrics, the sound already talks to you. So what I'm going to tell you is that I love Metro's music. And I respect his craft. I respect the work he's putting in. And I really want to see this mixtape on a streaming service. And I'm willing to do so myself if I have to. If you want me to help him put out this on online stores, tell him that he can hit me up, man. We can put this shit out there. Because honestly speaking, I want every artist to put their music out there. I want them to get the Whether Not Visa album for free, Whether Not Visa mixtape for free, Whether Not Visa singles for free. Let's also have them up there. Because when you do that, you get more royalties. That's what I'm just saying. Ne, the Duke and Swan and the one and Wamahunguni. And I hope you're having some greatest time. This is what I think about Metro CMG. He's the greatest artist. Nda.